In this video, we're comparing ZenBusiness versus Northwest registered agents. Links to the best deals are in the description. Let's get started. Ease of use and setup. ZenBusiness is built for beginners who want a guided experience. You use a dashboard that walks you through every step of starting your company. It asks simple questions and reminds you of things you might forget. Northwest registered agents is more direct. There's only one main package, so you don't have to choose between many levels. You just fill out your info on a single form and you're done. Verdict: ZenBusiness wins for hand-holding. Northwest wins for speed and simplicity. Privacy and protection. ZenBusiness offers standard privacy, but you may have to pay extra for some protection features. They focus more on the tools to grow your business, like websites and emails. Northwest registered agents makes privacy their main goal. They use their own business address on your public forms, so your home address stays private. They also promise never to sell your data to other companies. Verdict: Northwest is the clear winner for privacy. Pricing. ZenBusiness has 3 plans. The starter plan is $0 plus state fees. The Pro plan is $199 and includes an operating agreement. The Premium plan is $349 and adds a registered agent. Northwest registered agents usually costs $39 plus state fees. This price includes a full year of the registered agent service for free. After the first year, you pay $125 per year to keep the service. Verdict: ZenBusiness is cheaper to start, but Northwest is often cheaper in the long run. Customer support. ZenBusiness offers support through phone, email, and live chat. They even have help available on Sundays, which is rare. Most answers are fast and professional. Northwest registered agents uses what they call corporate guides. These are real experts who answer your calls and stay with your accounts. They give detailed advice rather than reading from a script. Verdict: ZenBusiness is better for weekend help. Northwest is better for expert advice. Extra features. ZenBusiness bundles many digital tools together. They can get a business website, a domain name, and professional email address. It is a one-stop shop for everything online. Northwest focuses on business services you might need later. They offer virtual offices, mail forwarding, and help with trademarks. Their dashboard helps you manage the state and federal filings in one place. Verdict: ZenBusiness is better for websites. Northwest is better for business infrastructure. Final verdict. If you're on a very tight budget and want to get your website and LLC done in the same place, ZenBusiness is the right choice. Their all-in-one digital tools make it very easy for beginners to launch everything at once. If you want the best possible privacy and expert help, Northwest registered agents is the better fit. They protect your home address from public records and never sell you data to other companies. For most people, I recommend ZenBusiness. The combination of personal support, strong privacy, and lower long-term pricing makes them the best overall value. I hope you found this video helpful. The best way to support the channel is to use the links in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time.